Alrighty guys, today we are making keto sushi. We're going to use cauliflower rice as the base. So once you've got your cauliflower rice, you can microwave it. Today we are going to cook it on the griddle, the skillet. So you can either make it yourself or you can just buy some of this stuff as well. So get it, bit of oil in your pan. We're going to heat it up, get it nice and toasty. Honestly, microwaving was a lot easier than actually putting it on the pan, but yeah, get it a bit of a steam going. Once it's a little bit browned, you know, heat it all the way through. You'll drive off a bit of that moisture because you don't want a mushy sushi. So once we've got this, we are going to add just a wee bit of salt, season it a bit. Also, you can give it a bit of a squeeze a lemon on there as well, because a little bit of acid you know, cuts through when we put the mayonnaise sriracha sauce on. It cuts through that a bit. Alright, so get your workstation ready, get your avo, chop him up, and ready for that. Got the cucumber, we're going to nick that into quite a few pieces there, and then we're going to get our noris, the old sushi seaweed rolls. Pop them on your bamboo rolling device. Guys, if you don't have a bamboo rolling device, get one. They're super cheap and it makes it quite easy. Spread your cauliflower out as much as you can. Make sure you leave, see on the left side here, we've got a bit of seaweed sort of still exposed. We want the seaweed to be able to stick to itself, so make sure you leave that. Pop in your fillings, bit of prawns, bit of cucumber, bit of avo. Once you've got them on there, you can also put chicken, pork, meat, any sort of meat you want in there really. And if you are vegan, you can deal with that yourself. Anyway, roll them up. Take your time to roll it up. All right. Okay. Get nice compression if you can get it. Once you've got a start on it, it's pretty easy to go. Alrighty. So wet that down a bit. You don't have to wet it. If you do, it helps it stick a bit. Then we can chop them up. Have a look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful, delicious. Alrighty. Nick them all up, pop them in your little containers. If you're meal prepping, you can do this for a while. Our dynamite sauce is sriracha and mayonnaise. I sometimes put a bit of garlic in there as well. Really goes nicely. Super delicious. Obviously, sushi would not be complete without wasabi. So get a bit of that. And you can pop that in the little corner as well, but making plenty of rolls. Make sure you've got plenty for the next few days. Guys, cauliflower rice is not as dangerous as real rice, so food poisoning risk a lot lower. So you can store these for a few days. It's more likely the seafood that's going to get you, but you know, as long as you're careful with that, you're right. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.